What's up everybody? If you ever wanted to have your own LED light bed, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make any bed into an LED bed. If you want to go add that wow factor to your bedroom and you don't want to go and buy a super inexpensive bed, then stay tuned for the whole video. What's up everybody? Today we're going to be installing these. These are the LED strip lights. So this is our bedroom. Those lights are controlled by Google. Hey Google, turn on side lamps. So we got those plugged in, but we have to basically say to turn them on. So I wanted to go and incorporate LED lights under this bed. Anyways, these are the RGB strip lights. They have a memory function, meaning that if you turn them off, it's going to remember what color and what dimness level they're on. It's a music sync, so if you have music playing, basically the lights are going to play along with it. Low wattage, and it's up controlled as well, meaning that I can turn them on and off with my Google as well. So let's go and open this up and just hook it up because it's pretty straightforward. All right, so there are two spools. This is your Bluetooth and LED controller. And of course, it comes with a remote control that we're probably not going to use because we're just going to set this at one color. And then this is our adapter. So the adapter plugs in right here to the bottom. Cable is only 3 feet, right? So keep that in mind. And then we go and take this off, and then we connect one end to here and then the other one to here. All right, and here's the two spools. Now it's daytime right now. These are spaced 3 inches apart. In terms of a fall off, well, I'm going to show you, but the higher up you are from the surface that it's shining down on, the more of a smoother fall off you're going to get. See? Well, let's look at the remote here. So green, whoa, that's bright. Blue, music mode. Hello, this is the music mode. Music mode 2. Hello. So what it's doing is it's fading out, but anytime it hears music or bass, it's going to go and blink the way it's doing now. Let's set this on. There's 3 modes, by the way, for music. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's completely off, and here's what happens. We can also set it back to, let's go white, and then we'll go say slow. That's for dimming. You can do auto. So auto is giving you interchangeable colors. We can do flash as well, so it's just flashing different colors, and then you have to do it yourself, and you can set different modes on here. And then there's a fade. Fade is kind of neat too. It does like a slow fade. See? And there's another fade here. This one fades completely out before it fades into another color. All right, so enough of this. Let's go and hook this up. So you can see that we're going to be basically wrapping around the entire bed with one of these, and we have one extra. It's always nice to have an extra one because you can basically buy another strip, and if you have another maybe room where you run out, you can just piggyback this one and plug this into another one. Just like we did it here, you can see that the mirror has an effect, and then we actually fed that underneath here, underneath this cladding, and then we went all the way underneath here. You can see the LED lights, right, reflection in the tiles, and then we went all the way under here as well, right? So you can have very cool ideas on how to do this with one simple reel. All right, so the best way of attaching anything under the bed is actually to lift the bed. Now, depending on the type of bed that you have, you may need to use different types of things. So for example, if you have an upholstered bed like us, you have wood here, you can get away and using a regular stapler to just get the staples in, very similar to what we did over here. Or you can use a proper upholstery gun to do that. If you go accidentally through the LED strip though, you will cut off the lights. We'll be cautious with this one. Maybe just doing it manually will be better. And then the last and probably the best way to do it pretty much on any fabric is this. This is your glue gun, and all we're gonna do is basically just add a glue dab across each one and attach this. Now, of course, you can peel this, and it does have a double adhesive, but I find that these double adhesives over time just kind of let go. We're gonna go dab, 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 dab. We're gonna do about 2 foot increments at the same time. Over here, you can see that we are gonna have more of a fallout because of the legs, but not a big deal. And then one more, and we'll put the bed down. So here's our work completed with hot glue. Now it's time to connect these lights with our mobile. To download the app, simply scan the QR code, which is printed on the controller itself. Once you set your strip light as a device and it's synced automatically, There you go. It's gonna show up as a bed light. All right, so once you connect your device, this is the app. So all these colors, of course, are going to affect whatever color you have on the bed. Say green, blue, yellow, and then of course you can change the dimness. So this is the lowest, and then this is the brightest. It's very bright actually at night. And then this just makes it easier to just change the colors as well. You can also turn this off or on. And you can even enter a manual RGB color or whatnot. So very intuitive, very easy. Now let's put the bed down and see what it looks like. All right, guys, so this is it. I've set this on the fade effect at slow. So what it's doing is it's changing the colors every about 7 seconds or so. So this is actually during daytime. Now I'm gonna go show you what this looks like at night, and I'm gonna show you the different brightness modes because it actually does go really bright. All right, so this is the bed. Now I'm gonna show you the app here. So we're gonna load up our strip light and bed lights on, and now we've got our interface here. So now if I do this, you can see how quickly this changes. Now brightness, this is the dimmest. Now we're gonna go all the way up, and you can see how much more it brightens up the room. Again, dimmest, 50%, 100%. So I would say 35 is kind of where you want to be when you're sleeping. Let's go back to the app. What else is there? Well, there's music. So what is going to happen is it's going to play a soundtrack. Let's increase the brightness. And then it's going to do its thing to the music. Now if we go to rhythm, so when you're playing games or whatnot, you can actually do this as well. Of course, we're not going to be playing games in our bedroom, but if you were to set this up as a gaming setup, maybe on your monitor or around your room, then when you're playing games, these would work with it. And then you got a timer. So this means that you can turn this on and off automatically. So we're going to go on, and we're going to set it the whole week. We're going to say turn this on at around, I would say 8 p.m. It gets dark about 9. We're going to go about 8 p.m. and then turn it off every day. So you call it 9 a.m. That way, in the middle of the night, if you wake up to go to the bathroom or something, the lights are still going to be on so you don't trip. And then we're going to activate this. And that's it. Definitely cool little light. It makes everything look nice. Thanks for watching.